Very good, my friends. In today's video we are going to test what you asked to test, is to see how far I can go with the bike not pedaling. So I'm going to put the high mode and I'm going to run as a flat circuit, and we are going to see how far I can go with this bike. I'm going to track the circuit so you will be able to see the data at the end of the video. I have a video about the unboxing and how to mount the bike. You will see the car now here. Okay, let's get ready. Okay, here we are, trip 0 kilometers, high mode, full battery. Okay, everything is ready to start the test. High mode all the time, and I'm not going to use the pedals at any point. Okay, it's time to answer some questions. First question is, my Z20 only goes 20 km/h top at high. It's only 2 days old and I weigh 77 kilos. Is this normal? I have to say that yes, because I weigh 85 kilograms and the maximum speed I was able to get was 22 on a plain surface. After the first 3 kilometers, the maximum speed that was able to get without pedaling on high mode was between 18 and 20 kilometers per hour. I have to say that you don't need to do too much effort to get to 25 if you start to pedal. Second question, how much time it took the bike to get to my home? For me it was 7 days, but accordingly to the comments, some people took 3 weeks. I bought mine on AliExpress from Poland on a shop called Polish Bee. Others I see that took 11 days, so between 7 days and 1 month. Third question, does the pedal assist work in all modes or just in eco? Yes, pedal assist only works in eco mode. In eco mode you do not to press the throttle. In mid mode and high, the pedal assist doesn't work. You can ride the bike without pedaling on mid or high mode. You just need initially a small kick. In other words, you can use it as a motorcycle in mid and high. This is scary. First kilometer and first bar out of 5 is gone. 1.5 in plain surface, more or less 23-22 km/h. Fourth and the last question, electric scooter or electric bike? This is a difficult question and you have to take in consideration a lot of things. I will make a video about this, so make sure you subscribe to see that video and be notified when I release this video. Short answer, I prefer the bike because I had an accident with the electric scooter. You can take a look to the Speedway video that I made about that. I think it's safer. The bike brakes, everything is safer, the position, you are sit, you are not stand. But I lost the portability of the scooter. The scooter was more easy to take from one side to the other, was lighter. I make a list of items and I will prepare a video. Let's have some fun. Only 3 bars remaining and I only have done 3.1 kilometers. According to the specs, this bike can do 80 kilometers on pedal assist mode. Here we can test the speed. Okay, still getting 20, but not more than 20, so we already are losing power. Okay, let's have some fun. Max speed has still been between 18 and 20 kilometers per hour on flat surface. I still don't have any feeling of losing power. You can see now I'm on a flat surface near 19 kilometers. Yes, a little bit of power, but not too much. Not that bad. 17 kilometers now. 20 kilometers. No big drop on power. Now the drop in energy is quite noticeable. 25 kilometers almost. We can do 25. Now it starts to go very slow. The drop of energy is quite significant now. Let's see, I used to get 18 kilometers per hour here, and this one, okay, let's see now, only 14, 13, okay, big drop. I think the next hill is not going to make it. Okay, go, yes, you can, you can, yes, we survived this one, but it's going to be one of the last. Okay, I usually go here at 18 kilometers, now 11. Whoa, the battery is really drained. Yes, we got 25 kilometers with a good performance. But now the bike is going to die very slow. He cannot going to do this hill. I'm going to try it. If we do this hill, no energy. I ran out of energy. Let's try going down. Let's go. You can do some more. Now on a flat surface the max speed is 9.7, 9.8. So here we have the result. Okay, accordingly to the Garmin is 23 kilometers, accordingly to the bike 25 kilometers. Okay, let's check the speed. Medium average speed is 15 kilometers. No more battery. Good, let's analyze the data. So in this graph you can see that the speed has been maintained more or less constant until the last half kilometer, when the energy of the battery starts to drop dramatically. Another important piece of information is to take in consideration the elevation gain. In this case it has been 127 meters. This parameter is very crucial because the energy consumption is going to be much higher or going up hills. I hope this video has been useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, check the other videos about the bike. Thank you for watching and see you in next video.